Greetings. So in this video, I'm going to be doing just a short thing of how to clone a disk using ddrescue. So let's get started. First, you want to check the disks that you have, find your source and your destination drive. So sudo fdisk-l is incredibly useful. In this case, I have a fresh disk here. So dev SDI, that is going to be the destination, and SDA is the source. So, so ddrescue -f -n, and I think there's one, oh yeah, -r3 -v for verbose. And there we go. So what did I do here? So the F there forces ddrescue even if the destination exists. The N does no scrape. Short for no scrape. This option prevents ddrescue from running through the scraping phase, essentially preventing the utility from spending too much time attempting to recreate heavily damaged areas of a file. R3 tells it how many times, R number tells it how many times to attempt. So that's incredibly useful, and the V is verbosity. I'm actually going to get rid of the R because I don't think I really will be needing that. The drives are not failing. So let's get going. I will be muting my mic and hopefully later on editing music between here and the end. So enjoy. Just realized I have to do sudo. Derp. There we go. And we're off. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Now, you can do things like expand the partition since the destination drive was 120 gig. Um, yeah, now everything's cloned over. So I hope you like this video. It's a little quick and short and simple one. But if you did like it, go into the links in the description below. Toss a couple coins my way. There's donato links down there. There's also an Amazon wish list where you can help me procure some hardware to make these streams better. I'm having a hard time right now as of recording because I've had some massive hardware failure. But I am trying to get back on my feet. But most of all, thank you for watching, and I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye-bye.